I'm John Machieski here at the log cabin, and here's a little tennis game you can do at home if you don't have a racket. So all you're gonna need is a tennis ball. And this game is gonna help us learn our form and also work on our form. And for this game, we're just gonna be tossing a ball back and forth. And when we're throwing, we're gonna really make sure we're turning to the side, having this ball up, bringing it down, and then throwing out in front. And for the backhand, it's the same thing. We're bringing up and back, down, and when we throw, we want our palms out. So this is what the game is gonna look like. Nice. Nice, and every time you finish throwing, I want you to jump like that. That's called a split step. Here's another drill you can do at home that doesn't include a racket, and all you're gonna need is a tennis ball. And so for this, we're gonna use what we learned from the other drill for this one. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna throw a ball at a target. For my target, it's a racket, but at home you can have a cone, some paper, a soda can, anything. And so all I'm gonna do is try to toss the ball so it lands on my target. Oh, so close. Shot number 2. Oh, I almost hit my target. Oh, so close. Yeah, I win. And now backhand. Almost got it. Yay! Alright, for this game, it's called golf. And all you're gonna do is set the ball on the ground, hold the racket at the bottom, and you're gonna aim at a target. Your target should be a wall, a fence, something that'll come back at you. And all you're gonna do is push the ball at the target. And then your goal is to try to hit it faster and faster. Tennis pro.